Hi everybody, and welcome to another 3D tutorial. And what we are going to use is a 2x graphite pencil, a Staedtler fineliner, a pencil eraser or a simple eraser if you have one, and a compass. Now here on the left side you see my pre-study, and I would advise you to make more drawings and you will get better and better at this. Now first you start with drawing the inner smallest circle, and then you broaden out your compass each and every circle and make them a little bit wider as you go to the outside. These will be your little helper lines, and if you do not have a compass, just use simple pots or something that are getting bigger and bigger. Then you take your 2B graphite pencil and you start drawing in the shadows. Now the first shadow is around the biggest one, of course, and that's a very important circle and an important shadow. Now what you do when you put in the graphite, you take your finger and then you rub that into the drawing paper. Then we go into the second circle, and the second circle is a little bit lower, so I add in a lot of shadow here. Then I skip one circle and draw in the shadow for the next circle, and then I work my way into the little tiniest circle. Now imagine the light coming from the right. Then you place a little bit of extra shadow on the right side, on the left side of your wrinkles. Then you take your pencil eraser or your standard eraser and then you clean up the top wrinkles. Then take your Staedtler fineliner and start drawing from top to bottom. First drawing in 2 straight lines, and then you start going over the wrinkles of that water. Now of course you can use a ruler for the straight lines, but I think water surfaces are never exactly straight, so I simply draw by freehand. Now this is where the imaginary 3D effect starts appearing. You go down in the shadow parts and you go over the top of the highest wrinkles. In this way you work your way all the way down, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's a little bit less, but just make a few drawings and then take your mobile phone and see what the correct angle is. Then take your pencil and take a picture. The 3D effect will be stunning. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next drawing.